gonna give you a quick house tour. So today we're gonna have photos done for our house, and tomorrow it's gonna be posted in all real estate sites. So before they take photos, I'm gonna give you guys a house tour. This is not what our house looks like most of the time, like all of the time. It's just we have to kind of style it and clean it para it looks nice sa photos. So we'll start here. So this is our master bedroom. Yeah, it doesn't look like that all the time. It looks really clean. So that's our master's bedroom. This is our cupboards. We have 4-door cupboards, and we have this view sa outside sa yard natin. So next to the master's bedroom is, I'm just trying to monitor him kasi he's still sleeping. Next to our, so this is our master. I'm not supposed to do this like this, no? But anyways, so this is our master's bedroom. Next is the laundry. So we've got like a small laundry. We have space there for dryer or whatever. But that's our laundry. And next to the laundry is our nursery room. This is Bunso's room. So we kind of style it like that. It's so pretty, isn't it? I don't know if you guys can see kasi parang against the light. So yeah, that's his room. We made it very like simple lang kasi yeah, kasi it looks neat, it looks clean. So next to Bunso's bedroom is Ate's bedroom. This is Ate's bedroom. So Bunso doesn't have a built-in robe. So we have these drawers for him. But yeah, Ate, she's got a built-in, 2-door built-in robe. So that's her bed and the bedside table, and she's got like some decors here, which is pretty nice. So that's it. So this is our hallway. So yan ang hallway natin. I'm still cleaning kaso Bunso's sleeping, so I'm gonna do the lounge and kitchen next. So that's our hallway. We have just like a cute stuff there. And this is our bath. Our toilet. I just put some, close that. I just put some fake plants and air diffuser. And this is our bath. We have a tub, and I just styled it like this. And our vanity, hello, and our shower. It's just plain. I don't know, I'll try to remove this. I'll try to remove it. So that's that. So we have these, ano bang tawag nila dito? Basta, cupboard yan ng mga extra stuff. So now, we'll go. So there's a door dito sa hallway going to the lounge room. So this is our lounge room. He's gonna wake up pagka nag-ingay ako. Siyempre, alisin lang natin yun. And these ones. But that stand, we kind of styled it ng green and pink kasi meron tayong pink carpet here, and we've got like some greeneries. So that's our entertainment unit, and this is our front door where I'm supposed to start this video. Yeah, so we've got Mama Mary and Papa Jesus there, and our dining. So, di pa tayo tapos dito. This is our kitchen. It's very messy dito sa breakfast table. But, that's gonna be the last. So, that's our kitchen. Last thing that I'm gonna clean kasi kakain pa ako. So, that's our kitchen. So, all of our electronics, like, rice cooker and everything are in here kasi nga, we want it to be very clean looking lang. So, yeah. So, that's our breakfast table, the pantry, the cooktop, and the fridge. And this one, decor natin dyan is oranges. So, yeah. Bali, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya lang. Well, anyways, so that's our kitchen, and this is our the door towards the deck. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly, or maybe now. So yun, hindi na ako lalabas kasi pinuksan ko to mag-iingay. So that's our deck, yung trampoline ni Ate Gab, and right over there we set up like a fire pit barbecue area. So yeah. That's that. I'm gonna show you guys our front. Or maybe later. I'll eat first kasi pag nagising siya, wala na tayong magagawa. So, kain muna tayo. Inip ko naman. Kasi I think he's gonna wake up very, very soon. Ano pa bang hindi ko nagagawa? Well, yeah. Yun na lang naman. Anyways, eat tayo. One second. I'll see you guys later. I'll show you guys yung front. Yung sila na. Kain na tayo. We have wala hula-hula lang na mince and sitaw. We have dewberry here. Oh, dewberry, no, honey. What is it? Honey dew. And cranberry juice. And of course, water. Kain tayo habang tulog si Baba. Sobrang sipag ko. Dito nakalagay yung ulam ko. So, nilagyan ko na lang ng kanin. Sipag ko, no? Guys, look who's here. Cutting class. May magkakarga sa kanya. May magkakarga sa kanya. Sino yan? Sino yan? Sino yan? Pogi mo? Anyways, I'll bring you guys. Pakita ko yung facade ng bahay. Wow, facade. Kunin ko yung chinelas. May magkakarga sa kanya. Ay, sipon naman niya. Sipon. Yeah. Dito na tayo dumaan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sa likod. So, dyan tayo galing. Ito yung deck natin. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Yan. Yung trampoline. And, of course, yung barbecue area, fire pit area. Ito yung room natin. Tapos, yan. The laundry, yung door sa laundry. Pakita ko sa inyo yung facade. Uso dito guys yung mga gantong gate lang. Dito yung sasakyan ni Dada. So, ito yung room ni Baba. Room ni Ate. And ito yung front door natin. Yan. Yan ang facade ng ating house. Ito hiniram lang namin kila Kim yan pang ano lang, pang aesthetic lang ng bahay. Ano yan? So, kay Megan mo na lang pasok. Saan mo naman lalagay dyan? Ayan. Buka ka lang natin yung mga ano natin. Yan. Ganda na! Ayun na. Tapos na ang ating house tour. Say bye-bye, Papa. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Balan ako nun kay... Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Sipon-sipon yun eh!
Dito na.